Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a new project in Android Studio with Java. Choose Empty Activity and a Sensible Min SDK so devices run. Once done, open Activity Main. XML and add 2 edit text fields, a text view for results and buttons for operations. Make sure each widget has a clear ID. This matters because Java will reference those ID. Without them, you'll get runtime errors. Finally, set input type equals number decimal for edit text so parsing is consistent. You now implement the calculation logic in main activity. Java. Use find view by ID to bind edit text and buttons, then parse text to double inside a try/catch so invalid input won't crash the app. Once parsed, set on click listeners for each operation, add, subtract, multiply, divide, and compute the result. For division, check if divisor is 0 and show an error message. Make sure to update the result text view on the UI thread and format numbers to a reasonable precision, so results are readable. You finish by wiring the equals button to run the selected operation or run directly on each op button, then display the formatted result. Make sure to test on the emulator and a real device. Verify behavior after rotation and save instant state if you want persistent values. If the app crashes, a common troubleshooting tip is to check for null pointer exception. Confirm set content view is called before find view by ID, and that XML ID exactly match the Java references. Fixing those usually resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.